back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss option selling. Let's get started. So first of all, we are going to check with the NSE website. So we'll start with option chain. So this is Nifty's chart. Let's just see the overall performance here. So here you could clearly see total for CE side and PE side. Now here we'll get to the basics. Let me add one more tab. This gives us the view from price action as well as the option chain and how market has performed last Friday. Okay, so due to the war situation, you could see all the markets are bleeding. So first off, we'll take Nifty, and we are going to keep the time frame 1 hour. Okay, we'll keep 1 hour because 1 hour gives us the better understanding of the market. So I'll keep March month. So you could clearly see how markets are moving down, up, and here is the support. Okay, here is the high for March. So because of war, you could see clearly markets are moving downtrend. When you keep 1 hour, you clearly get what markets are trying to tell because 1 hour has a clear vision. Okay, so profit booking, this was the profit booking, and all the uptrend in the downtrend graph is profit booking. Okay, we'll start markets open. It was gap down, so you could clearly see 23,400. 23,500 was a very good support, and there is a breach here, so you could clearly see now markets are at 23,400. We'll keep that as our open. So this was our open ATM. So you could clearly see where the close is, so that is downtrend is confirmed. Since this acts as resistance and this is CM, this acts as support, that is PE. Okay, for sellers it is opposite. If market is going down, that means CE is been added. If markets are going up, that PE is added. So it is exactly in, so sellers is inversely proportional to buyers. So these people are opposite. And you check for OTM, so this is negative, here it is positive. So this is OTM, and then when you check for ITM, here it is positive and here it is negative. Look of this data clearly tells markets is downtrend, which we can see in the chart, but you have to get confirmation in the OI as well, right? So if CE is been added, that means these people are strong and resistance is very strong in the market. We'll move on. We'll move on to the Nifty Trader website. Sorry, I just missed Bank Nifty. When you check for Bank Nifty, here is the chart for Bank Nifty. You could clearly see how downtrend is very promising here. Same pattern in Bank Nifty also. When you check for Finnifty, same pattern in Finnifty as well, but you could see the OI buildup is not as much as promising as Bank Nifty or Nifty for Finnifty. Midcap Nifty is also has huge gap, and then you could clearly see it's downtrend. Okay, moving on for Nifty. So this is basically Nifty's chart. Let's keep the support and resistance line so that we'll have a better understanding. Okay, so this is the low of March and this is the high of March for Friday, and then you could clearly see here. So this was the close. I have taken plus or minus 10 from upside as well as downside for put as well as call. Okay, so this is the OTM data we are going to see. So you could see more addition in the OTM here than put side, and then it's 4 lakh versus repugnant. Though like the overall OI is okayish, and you see the change in OI, that gives you the data of the Friday alone. If they are considering OI, then it is generally from expiry to expiry, total OI is shown up here. So expiry to expiry it shows sideways, but when you see for the particular day, Friday, the call writers are more. So that means profit booking chances are high here. So market would go a little up take a retracement, again go down if the war situation gets worse. Okay, so I have pretty much covered everything, guys. So that's it. Thank you. Keep watching my channel for more updates.